stereo in Kyle's Gs300 with the 2J. There we go. Just unplug two plugs. It's out of the way. And we have to take these two bolts out.
Wait, why are this?
Take these two screws off and these two screws off to remove the climate control. It's that premium sound system, bro. It's that
Premium
Lexus.
sound is getting taken out.
Careful here.
Oh shit, you cut me.
Guess you didn't even have to pull it off. There's two plugs on the back of the climate control. I'm sure those wires. Pull your antenna wires. There we go. Premium sound system's out. Trash. Got these little reverse harnesses at O'Reilly's for the GS. Damn, they don't have a freaking plug. Looks like they plug in. So I'm gonna try to use these. I never used these before, so see what happens. Show them what you got. Here's the harness all ready to go together. Got it all plugged in. So the wiring harness ended up not working, so we're just doing our own wiring. Taking out the factory amp. There's one bolt that goes up there. One bolt right there. And it should come out, and then we're gonna have to wire the speakers and everything. We already got the radio to turn on, so we know where our power and grounds are, and then it should be good. Just find where the power and the ground were. These ended up being it for us. This is a 98 Gs300, and then for the speakers, we had to come down where the factory amp was and wire them in here. These two are the rear, right or left, I'm not sure. This is another set of rears, and then these were the front left, and then those two were the front right, I believe. And then we just wired them up and then put them into the input on the stereo, and then we'll just tidy all this up and probably take this thing out because he's not going to be needing it anymore, and then should be good. We already tested it and it's working. So also got to figure out how we're going to hook his subs up and stuff. Other than that, should be good. So to take the CD player out, there's two bolts there and one bolt there, and it just kind of pops out.
Peasy, macaroni and cheesy. Yeah.
Feel how heavy that is.
Oh fuck, dude! I was about to play around and like drop it, and look what it would have landed on.
The new radio is fucked.
That would have been crushed. Look at that beautiful Kenwood engineering. Would have been.
The DMX 125. To get the video to bypass the parking brake, you just take this wire and you just you just find a ground. Like I found a ground back here in the original factory loom, and I just grounded it to that, and now he can do his screen mirroring and whatever he wants to do. He uses navigation from his phone and mirror it onto the display on the deck.